will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Facebook app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here, then it's going to show for your apps, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here you're looking for Facebook app, or just click on search. So then here at Facebook app, it's going to show for you like this here. You click on Facebook, so you click on it, then it's going to take you to next step. When you click on Facebook, it's going to take you here, click on first stop. So then you click on OK, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.